Are you ready for it?
Hello fam, welcome back to a new Halloween video. I am showing you how I achieved this kind of Taylor Swift evil cyborg from Ready For It costume, starting with the makeup. I've already primed my eyes and I am adding tape to my eyes there just to get a cleaner line, and I've already done my eyebrows. Now I'm going to be doing a really black smoky eye, which isn't exactly like Taylor's from the video, but she has more of a wing liner look. But I wanted to do something that felt a little bit more costumey just for Halloween, and because I tend to be kind of an extra human being in general. But for this black smoky eye, I'm actually using a tutorial from Desi on how she does her ultra black smoky eye. It is way more thorough than this video could ever be, and is fairly simple, even though it does take quite a bit of time and effort and blending. So I really highly suggest that you guys go watch that video on a more in-depth look at this. But I basically am just doing kind of a warm crease to help the black blend out. And then I'm using a cream black eyeshadow to make it really, really dark and intense. And then just setting that with black eyeshadow. Again, this just takes a ton of blending and a lot of patience, but I think the overall effect is really worth it in the end. And in order to kind of amp this up myself, I wanted to do something that felt really fun and probably more stage makeup-y for Taylor. And so I took the Desi X Katy Friendcation palette and used that black shimmery shade all over the lid just to give it an extra pop, and it is so beautiful. So now I'm just taking off the tape, and again, you'll see kind of that exaggerated cat eye look that Taylor had, but it's just a little bit more of an intense look. I just cleaned it up with a makeup wipe, and then I'm going in and putting on my foundation, which I am so aware is way too light for me. I got a spray tan right before I did this video, like the night before, and didn't have a foundation that matched. So I'm just going in, doing that foundation, touching up when I need to, and just making sure that my foundation really lasts a long time by baking, but then also going in, one, to kind of bronze up my skin since this foundation is so light for me, and two, I just wanted a really chiseled and contoured look because Taylor is kind of that evil cyborg, and because it's a little bit more of an intense kind of badass look, I want it to be really chiseled. And then I'm going in and really bronzing up my skin because this foundation is way too light. And yes, my hands do kind of look like Donald Trump's. I know, it spray tan problems. But I, again, am just going in and kind of putting this warm lower lash line on to help blend the black. And then I'm just going to be putting the black eyeshadow, which all of the eyeshadows I've used so far, except for the sparkly one, are from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Again, Desi explains this so much better than me, so definitely go watch that video. But then I'm just kind of cleaning up the edges with a sharper brush just to keep that really exaggerated cat eye look. And then just, again, blending. I'm going to add some more color into my cheeks with Exposed Blush by Tarte, just because we are looking a little bit dead, so you want to make sure you get some more color into your face when your eyes are this intense. I added some black to my waterline because I forgot, and then set that with a powder, which I normally wouldn't do, but we want this to last all day. And then I'm adding a crap ton of kind of a silvery highlight because, again, that robot evil cyborg kind of situation. Then just adding in mascara. You could totally put on false lashes with this look. I honestly am too lazy for false lashes. And then I'm adding this color from Bare Minerals, which I believe is Boss, just because she had kind of a muted red, and I wanted to mimic that, but I didn't have one, so this is the closest I could get. And that is the finished makeup look. And this is what I did with my hair, which really I just kind of messed up more once I started filming the actual costume part. And I don't have blonde hair. I didn't really want to deal with a wig, so you can do this either way. This is more of an inspired look than an exact replica. But this is the final look. And for the costume, I just got this jacket on Amazon. It's actually a men's jacket, and I got this harness and the glove on Amazon as well. And then the bodysuit you see is actually a one-piece bathing suit from ASOS, and then I just have these over-the-knee boots that I wear all the time from Chinese Laundry. But guys, that is it. That is my Ready For It costume. I hope you guys enjoyed and that it was worth the wait. Sorry it's a little late, but I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. In the meantime, my name is Parker. This is Stories in the Dust, and I really hope you'll stick around a while. Bye, guys.